Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started on today, which is Sunday, June 2nd, and they are good up until Saturday, June 8th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay guys, so I am recording this video on Sunday, June 2nd at around 4:00 p.m. It may or may not be up on Sunday. It may be up on Monday. So if I get it edited in time enough, it'll go up on Sunday, but if not, you guys will see it on Monday, June 3rd. So I did a total of 3 transactions. I did 2 pretty much identical transactions, and then I did a different transaction. So the first transaction I'm going to start with is going to be with the Walgreens branded feminine care. So I got this pack of Walgreens liners and this pack of Walgreens pads. Now for both of these items, they are buy one get one 25% off, but they are also buy 2 and receive a $5 store register reward. So the Walgreens maxi pads, these are priced at Walgreens at $3.49, and then the liners did ring up at 25% off at $1.12. So $3.49 plus $1.12 brought my total to $4.61. I did receive back this $5 store coupon, making both of those items completely free, plus a 39-cent moneymaker. Now I wanted to get 2 packages of the thin liners so that I could have a little bit more of a moneymaker, but my store only had 1 pack, so that's why I grabbed the pads. But nonetheless, it's still a great deal because it was a moneymaker of 39 cents. So that is what I got in my first transaction. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So here's my receipt. As you can see, the pads did ring up at $3.49 and the liners rang up at $1.12. Subtotal $4.61. I used $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, and then I used my PayPal debit card for the rest, and I did receive back my store coupon. So that is what I got in that transaction. And then in my next 2 transactions, I'm only going to go over this deal. Sorry, you guys, you may hear my doorbell ringing. So I'm going to go over the deal once, but I am going to show you both receipts for both transactions. So I grabbed 2 Bounty, a Dove body wash, and a Dove bar soap. These were the items that I knew I wanted to get from Walgreens this week because I had a $3 only for you Bounty coupon, so I knew that I wanted to use that. And then on IBOTTA, there are rebates for the Dove body wash and bar soap, and there was a bonus. So I already knew that I wanted to get these items. So the Bounty this week at Walgreens is priced at $11.99, and when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 register reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $11.99, and that's going to bring your total to $23.98. There is a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. Now, not all accounts will get that coupon because it is an only for you coupon. So $3, and then there's also a 50-cent digital Bounty coupon on the Walgreens app. So I used a total of $3.50, and that brought my total down to $20.48. And I did receive back my $4 register reward for buying 2, bringing my total down to $16.48 for both, or $8.24 each. But of course, I did not pay that. And then guys, I also forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that I did use a paper spin booster of get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35, and I also paired that with my digital spin booster, get $7 when you spend $30. And then next up, I grabbed the Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash and the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap. The bar soap is priced at $10. The body wash is priced at $7. For both, when you buy 2, you will receive back a $3 register reward. So for both, the total is going to be $17. There is a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Dove body wash and a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Dove bar soap. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $17 minus the $4 in digital coupons. That brought my total down to $13. And then I did receive back my $3 registry reward right here for purchasing 2, bringing my grand total down to $10. But not only that, IBOTTA does have a $2 rebate for the Dove body wash and also a $2 rebate for the Dove bar soap. But when you buy both of those items, you will receive back a $2 bonus. So I got a total of $6 back from IBOTTA. So $10 minus the $6 back from IBOTTA brought my grand total down to just $4 or $2 each, which is really great for Dove. So that is everything that I got in that transaction. And then in my second transaction, I did the same exact thing. So here is the first transaction. So in this bounty transaction, I did use registry rewards. I had 2 registry rewards that I used. My $3 digital came off. Both of the Dove $2 came off. 50-cent digital for the second package of bounty. So it brought my subtotal to $26.48. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for this, and on this receipt it did not say or it did not show how much Walgreens cash I got back, but I did check my account. I'm going to pop a picture up here on the screen. I got back a total of $14.40. So $26.48, but of course I have to factor back in the 2 registry rewards that I used, which was a total of $7. So $26.48 plus the $7 in registry rewards that I used, that brought my total to $33.48 minus the $14.40 that I got back from Walgreens cash. 7 for the digital spin booster, 7 for the paper spin booster, 40 cents Walgreens everyday points. That brought my total down to $19.08. Then I got back my $4 registry reward for the bounty and my $3 registry reward for the Dove, bringing my total down to $12.08. Then I received back my $6 total from IBOTTA, bringing my grand total down for this transaction to just $6.08, which is a really good deal, you guys. And so like I said, in the third transaction, I just duplicated this transaction. I got different scents of the I got the anti-stress bar soap and the anti-stress body wash. And then here's the receipt for this transaction. I didn't have any registry rewards, but everything did ring up correctly. And then also this was a different account. The $3 digital came off, both of the $2 digitals for Dove. And then on this account as well, I was working with a spin booster of $7 when you spend $30, and then a paper spin booster of $7 when you spend $35. So my subtotal came out to be $33.98. Of course, I used my PayPal debit card to pay for this transaction as well. And then I did get back my $3 registry reward for the Dove, $4 registry reward for the bounty. And then this registry reward also printed out for me. Earn $5 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $20 plus on your next purchase of Walgreens brand products. So this is a really nice registry reward to pair with the Walgreens branded pads, because if you can get your transaction up to $20, instead of getting a $5 store coupon, you will also get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I am going to put a deal together so that I can take advantage of this. So back to this transaction. So my total came out to be $33.98. And then I did receive back $14.40 in Walgreens cash rewards, 7 for my digital spin booster, 7 for my paper spin booster, 40 cents everyday Walgreens. I will insert a picture for this transaction as well. So that brought my total down to $19.58, minus my $7 in registry rewards, $4 for bounty, $3 for the Dove, bringing my total down to $12.58. And then I also used my husband's IBOTTA account, and I submitted my receipt, $2 for the Dove body wash, $2 for the Dove bar soap, and I did get the $2 bonus. So $6 total from IBOTTA, bringing my grand total down for this transaction to just $6.58. Now, if you guys remember, in my first transaction, I had a moneymaker of 39 cents. So one of my bounty transactions, $6.58 total. Second transaction for the bounty, $6.08 total. So that's a total of $12.66. But I had a moneymaker of 39 cents on the pads. So that brought my grand total for everything that you see here to just $12.27. Now, before any coupons or rewards back, the grand total for all of this would have been $86.57, but I was able to get all of it for just $12.27. So this is a win for me. Fantastic transactions. So you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Walgreens, and I will see you guys in my next video.